Sunrise is the best time out here. As you can see, the air shears are grazing peacefully. They are truly healthy animals.
The health of our Jersey herd is paramount. As you can see, the team uses gentle care and technology to keep them comfortable and productive.
As you can see, the milk flows rapidly through these heated stainless steel pipes. This precise temperature control is crucial for effective. We use an ice bath to rapidly drop the temperature. Submerge the pitcher completely like this and use the
Homogenization is essential. We push the milk through these narrow tubes at high velocity, resulting in that ultra-smooth texture.
Welcome to the heart of the operation, the freezing chamber. As you can see, we keep everything at a constant minus 50 degrees Celsius.
The freezing stage is critical. We monitor the temperature curve here to ensure the stability of the drug product vials before they move to the next phase.
massive turbines circulate the air, ensuring a rapid freeze. It's a loud process, but incredibly efficient at preserving the product.
By implementing the new tracking system on the tablets, we've reduced waste by 15%. We scan each incoming shipment right here at the freezer door.
Hi, this is Alex. I've arrived at Bay 12 with the ice cream shipment.
Confirmed.
As you can see on the screen, the core strategy involves leveraging the intermodal network. This ensures
The secret is our blast freezer technology. We rapidly cool the ice cream, then these airtight seals lock in the freshness. Especially as we are spraying light to savers.
Our commitment to you is simple: complete satisfaction. We stand by the quality of our products, ensuring that every experience exceeds your expectations.
We start with milk and cream, mix them up, and then the machine churns it until it's frozen. That's the secret to making this amazing ice cream.
We combine the milk and cream, then pour it into the machine. The churning process freezes the mixture slowly. Air.
We truly appreciate the high quality of the milk you provide. It makes a real difference in our products.
Your dedication to this project hasn't gone unnoticed. Thank you.
We appreciate the support, Alex.